Now we will learn the types of leaves. Leaves can be of two types, simple leaves or compound leaves. In simple leaves, incision do not touch the midrib, but in compound leaves, incision reach up to the midrib and breaking it into leaflets. Compound leaves are of two kinds. One is the pinnately and another one is the palmately kind of leaves. In pinnately kind of leaf, leaflets are present on the rachis. Neem is the example of pinnately compound leaves. In palmately compound leaves, leaflets are attached at the tip of petiole. For the example, silk cotton. Phyllotaxy in leaves. Phyllotaxy means arrangement of leaves on a stem or branch. Phyllotaxy may be of three kinds. One is alternate, second is opposite, and third is whorled. In alternate kind of phyllotaxy, single leaf arises at each node. For example, China rose, mustard, and sunflower. In opposite kind of phyllotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each node. For the example, calotropis and guava. In whorled phyllotaxy, more than two leaves arise at each node. For example, Alstonia. Leaves can be modified in the form of tendril as tendril for climbing, for example pea, spine, spine for defense, for example cacti, food storage, for example onion and garlic, petiole perform photosynthesis, for example Australian acacia, to trap the insect, for example pitcher plant, Venus flytrap.